It's Gypsy Man. So I'm gonna give you my review on this Holosun CSC for the Glock MOS. I got mine on a 34, and I'm using Ameriglo sights with the green dot up front, and that's very bright in itself with the 3-dot system. So I mean, it's a pretty simple system. Does it work? Yeah, it works. It works great. The beautiful thing about this is it's a true cold witness. I mean, it sits flush on the gun. I just cut it on. You just hold it down, and you got yourself your green dot. I like the green dot way better than I like the red dot. Pickup's fast. It just attracts your eye a lot quicker, and it's just right there where it needs to be. This is a 0, they say, out the box to 25. So of course, when I cut it off and looked at my sights, I noticed that it was dead on with the sights. It was dead on, and you know, we're gonna have to take it out to the range to see how it runs. But you know, it looks good. Look how flush it is. It fits perfect. Fits tight. Fits snug. Easy to put on, easy to cut off. Only got 3 modes. You can make it brighter if you need to. What it gives you is a good, perfect level when it comes to the brightness. And then if you want it brighter than that for daylight levels, you just tap it one time and it goes to a brighter setting, which is good. There's no halo up in it, and the glass is clear, very clear. And I mean, it works as advertised, and I'm gonna enjoy it. I like it. Straight up, I mean, is it worth the money? You know, it could be pricey to some, but it looks like it's going to be on this gun for the remainder. And I can't say anything bad about it. The thing that surprised me was how perfect it aligned to Cold Witness. It's perfect. It's almost like there's nothing on there. You can see through the glass clearly, and you can see your sights. It's just so clear. So, Gypsy Man, that's my review. You've seen it many times on other weapons. And you know, that's pretty much what people highlight, but I'm telling you, the thing works, and I'm impressed. And it's very light. I don't even feel it. And you know, it's a good buy. It's price controlled. Everybody has it for the same price, even Amazon. Maybe you can find something around these times, the holidays, and you can get a 10%, 20%, whatever they're having, Black Friday or Christmas sale. But if you can get it for less than $350, then you're winning. All right, Gypsy Man, and I'm out. I like it. Peace.